Car Story research indicates this vehicle as certified pre-owned, loaded with features. Features also include adaptive cruise control, MP3, steering wheel controls. With these ratings, you are going to love the 2022 Forte. If you're looking for a trendy and feature-laden compact sedan, the Kia Forte is for you. It offers an exceptional combination of innovative design, high-quality engineering, and outstanding value. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, rear spoiler, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, remote trunk release. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
A certified pre-owned Kia is confidence and reliability for the road. With a fantastic warranty, roadside assistance, and an intense quality assurance inspection, you can have total peace of mind. Ask your dealer for details about the Kia Certified program.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.